To use dark mode, just use it. Automatically check for updates on startup, that is fine. Everything else in this general category we can leave alone. There's nothing here that we need to mess with. So head on down to stream settings here. We're not going to be focusing on this. This is a recording settings video, but if you do stream, this is where you set it up to go to either Twitch or YouTube or Facebook, wherever you are streaming, stream settings up. Next tab we're going to be looking at here is the output tab. Again, in the output tab, head over to recording. So now in the recording tab, this is where some things get a little bit different from where they were in previous recording settings videos, because I have been using a new setting here that I find gives me almost lossless quality on my videos. It's absolutely amazing. And if you have the space, the file sizes are a little bit bigger, but if you have the space and can crank it to the setting, I highly suggest you do so. But if you don't have the space, you can crank the setting up a little bit, and it's still better recording quality than the previous videos that I showed you how to do this in. So in the recording tab here, you're going to want to make sure at the top in your output mode you have it set to advanced. By the way, if you guys see anything that's grayed out, because I am currently recording with OBS, so if it's grayed out, it shouldn't be grayed out for you if you're not recording at the time. So under type, we're going to want this on standard. Recording path here, mine is set to my D drive, which is my drive that I use to record, to store all my recordings from gameplay to camera. So set your recording path. Accordingly there, you're going to hit browse, folder, or whatever you want those recordings. So then after that, we're going to do recording format. A lot of people are using FOV just simply because in MP4, recording in an MP4 format, if, let's say, OBS crashed right now, this whole file would be corrupt, most likely, because I'm recording in MP4. I just used to use MP4 because I do other things with my videos, and MP4 is a little bit more universal for me. But if you're worrying about crashes and your recordings becoming corrupt, if you're doing really long recordings, I would suggest not using MP4. So then audio track, I have one audio track selected here because I'm only using one. My encoder, I'm using NVIDIA